Good morning. It's around 11 o'clock this morning. I've gotten started with my day and have been working on moving over some stuff to the new WordPress environment that I got set up yesterday. So after much struggling and much despair, I guess, I was finally able to get the website up, and it was a blank website that I stood up this time instead of having to do... So here's what happened. I was struggling to get the database moved over properly and get everything migrated. So instead I chose to start from scratch, start from a good state with a blank WordPress site, and then slowly move over all the content that I needed, and add all the plugins and install my theme, and then get everything moved over. So I've moved over, I would say, half or so of the post yesterday, and then I've moved over the themes, I've moved over the plugins. I just set up my plugins again today, like right now, the past hour. And kind of continuing on with the rest of the day, I'm going to be working on getting my post set up and getting the pages in as well. And finally, when all of that's done, I will send out an email to the team that I'm working with to let them know that their new staging environment is set up, which is really exciting. So I didn't get as far as I'd hoped with the staging environment and getting things to work properly, but what we did get done is I have something that I can use, that I can have the team working on, and as they're using that staging environment, we can now learn from it and then eventually automate the processes as we go. So one of the things that I struggle with a lot, being a programmer and a technical mind, is that I tend to really want to automate it and want everything to be fully automated, fully code-driven, and all that stuff. However, the problem with that is sometimes that automation can take a lot of time. So instead of having a lot of automation and a lot of that kind of stuff going on, we're gonna do it manually for now, and then we're going to see how the team likes it, and then if they like the workflow, then we can invest more in it. If they don't like the workflow, then I could have just wasted a bunch of time. So I'd rather just get the proof of concept out there, see what the team thinks about it, and then eventually adapt to feedback that they give me. Stay tuned. We're going to come back in another 2 hours or so and give you an update on where we are with getting everything moved over manually. Then I'll probably head out to lunch and send an email out to the team. They're on the West Coast and I'm on the East Coast, so a little bit of a time difference. So I'll send it out to them when they're kind of getting started with their day. Alrighty, it is now currently 1:17, just got in a solid 3 hours of work. Great news, the site is, I would say, about 80 to 90% all the way there. Just got to reconfigure some menus and some stuff, and it should be good to take it for a spin and kind of give it to the team to see if they like it, see what they don't like about it, and just basically get some feedback and kind of take into account any questions that they may have about how to use this new staging version of the website. So pretty exciting. Had a great and pretty productive day already. Hoping to walk the dogs, go grab me some food. New poke place just opened up near me, so I'm gonna go check it out and let you know how it is. So be back in about an hour or so. Very quickly, we'll check on the fish. See how they're doing. They look hungry. It's about to be their lunchtime too. Can't forget about these other ones that we got. The 3 neon tetras. We're gonna have to get them some tank mates really soon. I'm thinking maybe next week we should have some new tank mates for them, which should be really exciting. This mushroom coral is just crazy growing, and everything's looking really nice. I'm proud of my progress so far with this tank. I need to, maybe next week, gotta do a little bit more grooming and get some of these bubble tip algae out, but otherwise, having a blast. Alright, we're back from walking the dogs. Just wanted to give another update. Just took them out. It's really hot outside, but we had a good walk. They're eating right now. You probably hear them in the background, but I'm about to go grab some lunch for myself. Gonna go check out that poke place that I just talked about, and I'll let you know what I think. After that, I'm gonna be most likely working from a coffee shop for the rest of the day. That's something I like to do personally. You need to get out of the house and just go somewhere else to kind of focus, zone in, and round out the rest of my day. So thanks for tuning in. I'll probably catch up with you around 6 p.m. or so. Right now, it's 1:54 right now. Thanks again. What's going on, guys? Right now it's 5:30. It's close to quitting time. Just got back from the Poke Bowl place in the coffee shop. Bowl was amazing. I really enjoyed it. Gonna go back there again soon sometime. And the coffee shop was good too. We got a lot done. Was able to get the images fixed on my website, and we're now able to have a really cool staging environment for the team to use and play around with. So I'm excited about that. I'm about to finish up a couple more odds and ends, and then I'm done for the day. And then I'll be back tomorrow working on some finishing touches and recording some more videos, doing some live streaming probably, and just kind of having a nice tail end of my week. So looking forward to that.